Fix in 5. Let's decode P0586. Cruise control switch input circuit low voltage, signal below normal op. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Cruise control system non-functional or disabled. Cruise control light remains off on dashboard. Inability to set or maintain cruise control speed. Loss of adaptive cruise control, if equipped. Now the most likely causes. Cruise control switch electrical contact wear or corrosion. Open circuit in cruise control switch wiring harness. Low voltage signal from steering wheel switch assembly. Faulty cruise control stalk or multifunction switch. Wiring short to ground in cruise control circuit. What does it cost? Roughly varies doing it yourself, or varies at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Inspect cruise control switch assembly for corrosion or mechanical damage. Test switch continuity and voltage output with multimeter. Check wiring harness continuity from steering wheel to PCM. Clean connectors and test voltage at cruise control circuit input. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, can I fix P0586 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0586 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis. Full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0586. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.